Online coaching has exploded in recent years, and so have online coaching apps. And more specifically, apps that help you coach your clients, give them training programs or workouts, do check-ins with them, and also check their health stats. These apps can really help you coach your online clients and really give them structure to their training. But there are so many to choose from with varying features, usability, and also prices. I'm always hearing of new apps coming to the market, and it seems to be not slowing down anytime soon. But which app would be best suited for you in your online fitness business? In this video series, I'm going to dive in and do a full in-depth review of several of the online coaching apps that you could use, diving into features, usability, pricing, connectivity, app access, and also support. I'll be sharing my screen and doing an in-depth review of the desktop version of the app to see whether this app would be the right fit for you to use in your online fitness business. Like I mentioned earlier, this is going to be a video series, so I'll be reviewing one app per video. So if there is an app that you want to see, be sure to check out my channel. So let's dive straight in. All right, in this review video, we're going to look at a personal training app called TrainHeroic, and it's really all designed around programming. So it's getting the fundamentals of programming down. So it's got a coaching element, and then they call their clients, say, athletes. So it's probably designed for that kind of space, and people are just looking for like all the bells and whistles on just programming and coaching. So yeah, it's pretty interesting software. Again, at first look, I'm going to dive into kind of the website, the features, pricing, and then actually look at the software side from a coach's perspective and then a client's perspective as well. All right, so build your program, connect with your clients, grow your business anywhere. And then we've got build a coaching business that scales. Let's scroll through. So this is kind of the interface, and you can bring all of like your videos in there and obviously program properly. You've got your own custom library. You've got powerful programming tools, and then there is an app as well, so the client can log into the app and obviously program, message, and kind of see all their stats as well. So they've got a lot of stats, and then also you can actually sell your programs as well. So you can sell your programs online. So if you wanted to like create off-the-shelf programs, then TrainHeroic will allow you to do this. So we've got teams and one-on-one video reviews, sell your programs online, customizable library, real-time chat, client tracking, easy client onboarding, powerful workout builder, and then make it your own by adding your logos and customize the demo videos. All right, so pricing. So there is a 14-day free trial, and then from up to 5 clients is $17.99, and then let's go to 15, it's $34.99, 25, 44, and then like up to 50 is 74, and up to 100 is $100. So it scales up, and again, as obviously you scale your business, you make more money. This is obviously going to be affordable for you. So let's dive into the actual coaching side of things. So when you log in, you're greeted with this coach home here. I do like these kind of notification centers that they have in the software. And this one's really good. So you can see kind of, this is a demo client, Sarah. You can see that she's on the 3rd or 4th block. She's in 3.8 readiness, intensity. And then this is kind of the pounds she must have lifted in the program. And that's how long the program took. We've got comments, we can see videos from the program, and then the same again. So we can see when clients are completing their workouts in their program, and we've kind of got this activity feed here to see what's going on with our clients. And then we've kind of got notifications here, so we can see kind of this needs programming today. So if you click on this calendar link, it then opens up that calendar for that specific client, and then obviously we can see the different programming in here, and we can actually see obviously what they've got each day. And I kind of like how it shows you straight away. It's quite easy to see in terms of like lift 3, and then we could click in here and edit it, and that'll open up the program builder, and we can just edit out all of this in here. So yeah, everything's pretty kind of reachable from the home. We can see all the notifications, we can see what's going on, which is pretty cool. All right, so then we can dive into kind of the different sections. So we can choose like our different athletes or clients, and we can toggle through those on there. And then on the left-hand side, we've got the different kind of sections. So we've got home, where I am at the moment. We've got athletes, teams, library, analytics and report, and then gym tools. So if we dive into athletes, This is our clients, so we can see all of our clients in here. Again, we've just kind of got our demos in here. So then if we click into each client, we can then see their different exercises they've completed, their circuits, notes, and then obviously their account as well. So and then from here we can do actions, so athlete's calendar, message athlete, and then numbers and account info. So in the calendar, this is where we can obviously program and see what's going on. So if we wanted to tweak anything, change anything, create a session, or add from library, we could choose that, and then we could just choose programs that we've already created. So let's say at home, we could just add this to the calendar, and that will drop into the calendar as so. So yeah, it's really easy to program. I think that's really what TrainHeroic's trying to do, is make it really easy for, say, athletes that just need not really any bells and whistles. They just need to have like a decent program and a really simple app to help them obviously train with. So if you're just looking for kind of programming and then selling your programs, this could be a really good app for you. So yeah, that's kind of like how to manage your clients or your athletes and program for them and add things in. From here we can also message, so we can send gifts, and then obviously we can drop a message in there as well if we wanted to. All right, you then got teams. So in teams, it looks like you can create like a community. So create your team. So let's say, I don't know, if you're doing like high rocks training or CrossFit training and you want to add all of those clients in there, you could create a team, and then they can all be in there, and you can create shared training calendars and things like that. And we can kind of maybe create like a mini challenge and things like that. So yeah, I kind of like it when you bring people all around the world together and create kind of a community. Gives stickiness to your program, makes people want to like be more engaged. So yeah, we could just click create team, build a team in there. So let's just create a test, and then that will create kind of a team calendar, and then obviously we can add athletes to that as well. All right, next we've got the library. So in here we've got programs. So these are kind of programs that have just been added in for me. I can then come in here and then just create a program. So if I just create a program here, and then it would go into kind of the workout builder, and we would start building that out. So we've got the different weeks, and then we can kind of obviously create a session and load sessions in. We've got instructions and then add blocks. So like we could drop in the sets, the reps, and then the video pull through as well. So yeah, really easy to kind of add that in. Like once you've built a program as well, obviously it saves and you can kind of use it over and over again. So if you're a bit of a geek on programming, then TrainHeroic would definitely be something to look into. So yeah, the library is extensive. We've got a lot of different workouts. Like I said, you get given workouts in here, and you can also buy workouts as well from their library, so their marketplace. Parent calendars, so this is just the different kind of training programs, and then we've got subscriptions. We've got like the different sessions in here that you've saved. Exercises, like I said, they've got an extensive exercise library that you can use, and you can obviously create exercises as well and upload your own. So if you click on create exercise, we can add the title, the video, and all the information in there. And then we've got prescriptions, which we could add in here. And then we've got the marketplace as well, like I mentioned, so you can go and buy certain programs on here for subscriptions, and obviously use programs in there as well. So you could add your own programs to the marketplace and people could buy those as well, which is pretty cool. I like that. Analytics and reporting. So again, this is pretty cool. We can see kind of like the readiness, the performance, the life history, the training summary, the compliance, the progress. So again, they're diving into the program element, but also the analytics to go with it. So you can coach better as well, which is pretty cool. So understand your athletes and your teams better than ever with TrainHeroic analytics. So that's really, really cool. Just allows you to really kind of help your athlete perform better and obviously complete all of their sessions. Next, we've got kind of the gym tools. So allow multiple athletes to receive and log training from a computer. So that's the app. We've got leaderboards. So inspire competition with a full screen display of leaderboard items. And then we've got a whiteboard and then spreadsheets as well. Build testing sessions for athletes to log or enter bulk data manually. Just another feature that you can obviously add in data on there. So yeah, pretty cool. Super simple. Again, it's just for programming. It's not trying to add any other features. It's really just nailing programming and analytics. So if you just want that element, I know sometimes a lot of these apps can have so many features and it can overwhelm clients. If you're just looking for kind of like a simple programming but with advanced features in terms of analytics and things like that, then TrainHeroic definitely could be a good one for you. So if I now switch, I can switch into like a client account, and then I can kind of see kind of my leaderboard, my feed, and then my training. So I don't actually have any training in here yet. Let's just take a look to see if I can dive into calendar. No, so there's nothing set up in here yet, but that's obviously how it would look. And then, like I mentioned, there is also an app on iOS and Android, which obviously clients can log into or athletes can log into and use. So yeah, like I said, super clean system, easy to use, and obviously you can program, communicate with your clients, and then get all the analytics as well. So in terms of support, they've got a support channel here. You can jump into the bot, and then I'm sure someone will dive in and support you here as well. So yeah, it's got everything you need to program. It's, like I said, it's not got all the features, but it's trying to do the programming right, which sometimes simple is better. Sometimes it can be very overwhelming with these different apps. So yeah, if you're looking to program using this, then I think it could be a really, really good tool for your online fitness business. So yeah, that kind of wraps up this review. If you are looking for anything, other apps that you want me to review, drop a comment below this video, give me a like, and yeah, I'll see you in the next review video.